I guess this is the most beautiful thing I ever seen. I don't know why I say beautiful, but I like it. It's not complicated. This is 2006 Lexus ES300, and this light bulb, this is not working. All right. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it. Remove that. This one doesn't have the clips though, but you're gonna have clips. Okay, like any other regular clip. Remove this. Come over here. Remove this, just like that. It's gonna have clips also, like. Okay, clips over here. All right, I'll remove this. And here's where the magic is. Right here is a 10mm bolt. Just remove it. Okay. The neck of the windshield fluid reservoir is flexible, so no biggie with that. Now here, let me show you this. Here, you come over here. Turn it counterclockwise. Remove it. Okay. Now you see that thing? This thing right here? I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise. Like that. Okay. But that's not it. There's a little bit more to do. There it is. Alright, now here, you see that clip? Sorry about my hand, doesn't. Let's see if I can fit my hand over here. This clip right here, you see it? I'm just gonna push it. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Just push it. There's another clip too on the other side. Here's our guy. Okay. Let me show you in there. There's two clips. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push it, press it, and it's gonna come off. This is the old light bulb. I think it's blown, burn. Okay. This is the other one. This is the new one. All right. So let me open it for you. Let's see. All right. There you go. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put it like this. Okay. Same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. This is how it looks like. Check the grooves and all that. Okay. Can't get lost. Alright, it's easy. Now this guy just put in there, turn it clockwise. There you go. Turn it clockwise. That's it. There it is. Yeah, this is a 2006 Lexus ES300. Alright. Thank you for watching. Support the channel. Love you. Holla at your boy. See you in the next one. Boom.